Today we are going to look at the XYZ RLX 1630 ProTurn lathe. There are 8 machines in the ProTurn family, so if you are looking for a different size, please check out our website. The machine is fitted with a ProtoTrack RLX touchscreen control. The ProtoTrack control was first introduced into the UK in the early 1990s. It was an immediate success and revolutionised many machine shops. The control has both manual and CNC functions with a simple to use interface which gives you the ability to make low volume and one-offs very quickly, plugging the gap between manual and CNC machines. The RLX 1630 is a solid cast iron machine with an induction hardened bedways. This gives the base a massively rigid construction. With a 54mm spindle bore and 400mm swing, you can see why this is a very popular machine in the ProTurn family. The headstock is built with Japanese high-quality precision and ground dynamically balanced gears. With 2,500 RPM max spindle speed and with constant surface speed, you have everything you need to produce components with a great finish. There are 2 interlocked guards on the machine. The juke guard allows you to use the machine with the main guard up, making it easy to set up the machine and do those manual operations. When you want to use the machine in full CNC mode, you can close down the main door, keeping all the swarf and coolant inside the machine. The XYZ 1630 has a solid single-piece tailstock. The machine comes with a swarf tray that can be removed from the front. This makes it easy to clean the coolant system. If you want more production, you can have the machine fitted with a 4-position automatic tool post. The machine is fitted with a 200mm free-jaw chuck. Fixed or travelling steadies, 4-jaw chucks or faceplates are options. The machine has been designed for a wide range of operators, from someone who has no CNC experience right through to the most seasoned programmer. There are plenty of features to help you produce a wide range of components, from producing tapers and radii in manual mode through to the optional DXF file converter that makes easy work of electronic drawings. The latest touchscreen control gives you easy programming and easy use of the graphics, including zoom in to see intricate detail. A big feature of the new control is the graphic screen is always on during programming, benefiting the operator with ultimate confidence. EPA, or Advanced ProtoTrack Assistance, is an onboard reference guide built into every touchscreen control. It's filled with instructions, diagrams and videos that help users get the answers they need when they need them. To find out more about the control system or the machine, please contact us using one of the methods on screen. Don't forget, if you would like to see this control system, we can come to you and show you how powerful and simple it is to use.